it's probably saving alone in IT support time of those spreadsheets, probably around 5 working days a month. Hello, I'm Tomas Hollingsworth, Director of Technology at BW Workplace Experts.
Hello, I'm Oscar Brooks, Co-Founder at V88, one of Glide's leading agencies.
We do interior fit out, so we build beautiful offices and workplaces for higher education to really high specifications. And that includes loads and loads and loads of data points. So we have a huge amount of data. We have a very large partner database, which we're ingesting a lot of data points around our supply chain. And the development times were significantly longer than we were really expecting. The pace that we needed to go at just wasn't happening with traditional development. So we needed to pivot and also match the scale of growth, and the development was really important to pick a tool that also mirrors that. The applications are really, really helping our business. We now have the ability to use AI to actually take data and do something useful with it, and probably actually display it again in a Glide application so that we can actually do real impactful things and trend analysis. So we know before a project may slip into the red, this is why it's going to happen and why it's happening, which we wouldn't have had that knowledge before.
So we've built apps of varying size, varying scale, varying complexity for different departments in the business. And what we typically will do is we'll enter a conversation with a given department, understand what's going on there. Tom will kind of facilitate and guide that as tech director, and then we'll sort of build a solution around it.
I think the CVR application that we're developing is probably our most complex, but will bring the best business benefits in terms of return on investment. So I think we currently have a suite of around 24 applications, including those in development, and the usage is quite incredible. It's probably up there in the 95%, somewhere around that, and user adoption in construction industry is always a problem. So the fact that someone can pick up their iPhone and then use the application, or they're using it on their desktop, is really important. But the scale and the speed that we've rolled those applications out is like laughing our eyes.
I think we have proven in the BW case that Glide and this no-code, low-code approach does work on an enterprise level. Whether you're building larger scale solutions or micro tools, artificial intelligence has obviously exploded into the business world.
It's happening so fast at such a rate of change that you need these partners who are spending the time looking at what's next in AI, looking what we can do with that data, and also taking ideas from outside.